WBTV on your side at 6 o'clock. Soldiers, their job to defend this country, but when their tours are over after the hugs and the celebrations, what's left? Jobs aren't easy to come by even for our heroes. Thousands of them are out of work.
But now Goodwill in Charlotte has a new way to help our veterans find and get trained for jobs. WBTV's Melissa Hankins has the story all new at 6.
Anthony Williams devoted 16 years of his life to his country, traveling the globe, serving in Desert Storm. But
even though I know I've done what I can to help the country,
he feels the country won't do what it can to help him, at least not the corporate part of it.
Either I'm overqualified or I'm not qualified, or know if they said they're going to call me and I don't get a phone call, and I'm doing all the proper things I'm supposed to do, and it's tiresome, and it gets you frustrated. I have all this experience, and I feel like, no one's looking at that.
It's a common problem for vets, and it's gotten worse. Because while the rest of us have spent the last couple of years learning to navigate a down economy, honing our resumes and job interview skills, these guys have been busy training for battle. Now they're coming home to this, and they're lost. Send in the reinforcements. The good news here is Goodwill can now help a lot. Charlotte's Goodwill Industries has been awarded more than $1 million in cash and software from Microsoft to launch a pilot program to help vets get civilian jobs.
People don't understand the stress that war puts on a person.
Nicholas Riggins will be the vet's first point of contact at Goodwill because he's one himself. He knows how they feel.
It's tough. It's tough for everyone, but at the same time, it's really, really tough for veterans. You serve your time from the Department of Defense's standpoint, they're going to pat you on the back, but they're not going to provide you the services either.
But now, Goodwill's Operation Independence will, with a series of services, including skills training, job searches, and stress management.
They're out there trying to help me, and that's what counts.
And if you are a veteran and you want to learn more about the Goodwill Jobs Program, go to our website, WBTV.com.